Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to do a Timberdoodle unboxing. So let's jump right in and see what we've got. Okay, so if you don't know, I am part of the Timberdoodle blog team, and so I sometimes get the opportunity to review products, which is the case here. Oh yay, this is so exciting. Okay. So these products have been sent to me in exchange for my review, so I will be doing reviews on every single one of these products, so keep a lookout for those. But let's just see what we've got in the box. Okay, so we've got Apple Twist. This is a game for one player, so it's a logic game for one player by Smart Games, ages 5 to adult, and it's easy to expert. There's 60 challenges.
I'm 5.
Yes.
So I can play it.
Yes. Okay, that one will be fun. So you get the caterpillar into different shapes.
And sizes.
All right, we've got Little Pilgrim's Big Journey. Ooh, this looks awesome. We've got the book. And, ooh, that's so pretty. And the coloring book to go with it.
I love coloring books.
I know.
The coloring book?
Yeah.
Wow,
So that's really cool. John Bunyan's Pilgrim's Progress, fully illustrated and adapted for the next generation. Ooh, that looks so nice.
It does.
Ooh, yeah, it does. Okay, we've got IQ Circuit, also by Smart Games. This is ages 8 to adult, easy to expert, 120 challenges. Yep.
That looks cool.
We've got Clumsy Thief Junior, ages 5 and up. This is 2 to 4 players.
I can play that because it's 5 and up, and I'm 5.
So this is something we can play together.
I'm 5.
Yes. Oh, yeah, I remember. This is an adding game. So this will be fun to play so we can practice our adding to make 10. Ooh,
well,
that'll be awesome. Well, no, it's up to 10. Adding to 10. Ooh.
5 and 5 make 10.
5 and 5 make 10, that's right.
And 4 and 4 and 6 make 10.
Yeah, very good. And then we've got Code Rocket for kids ages 8 and up. And so we're going to use this on the computer.
That looks cool.
Yeah, teach you how to code. Whoa, that's pretty cool, huh?
What is this?
And this is cognitive drawing, a 90-day workbook.
And we got this.
So that is pretty cool.
That is. And you see these have shapes. Black, blue, white, black.
And
red,
then we've got
Battle
Sheep, Flock to Greener Pastures. So that looks fun.
Well, Mom, look, pages come out.
Oh, that's cool.
So
This will go good with our anatomy puzzles that we got.
I'm excited to play IQ Circuit.
Yeah, that's cool. Okay, so this is ages 7 to adult, 2 to 4 players, and time to play 15 minutes. So I like those quick games that you can play at lunch, after lunch, and things like that to break up the day. So we got all these cool things. So I will be having a review on each one of these coming up over the next month or so. All right, so make sure to give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe if you love all things homeschool.